What's good, YouTube, man?
Nah, we ain't finna do that.
That's your boy Puddle 1K, man. We are back for another video, man. As you can see, we are at Walmart right now. Yup, we can see we have Walmart. So for this video, man, we will be rebuilding my whole entire wardrobe, man, collection, man. I honestly don't know what they got, man, but whatever they got, man, we gonna try it on and make it look good, make it pop, you know what I'm saying? Put it on. We gonna, if they got some good Jordans, you know what I'm saying, we probably gonna lean towards that because they got some good shirts, hoodies, you know what I'm saying? I don't really think they let you record like that in there, but we gonna find out, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Before we even jump into this video, man, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button. I ain't gonna lie, real calm, you know what I'm saying? Y'all told y'all I'll wear my aces when I go do stuff like this. I ain't putting no fit on doing this, man. Make sure I hit that like, subscribe button. What's good, y'all, man? We are in Walmart, man. I'm gonna have to be a little discreet because I don't know if they let cameras in here, man. I don't got that much good options when I thought, but we gonna work with what we got, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because we in this together, man. If y'all see something in the comments that I missed out on, man, hey, y'all for sure tell me. Real big into like vintage t-shirts, man. Y'all know my swag. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know my streetwear, baggy pants. I don't think they got that much variety here, bro, but y'all know I love saying variety. Camouflage. I ain't gonna lie, as I was editing this video, I realized that the video was OD short, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even realize that when I was recording, bro. Like, I was just trying to get the video out. As I was editing, I'm like, bro, this video is crazy short. Like, y'all gonna be like, damn, you ain't really do nothing. I didn't even realize how fast I was going in this video, but I'm just letting y'all know, so like, just in case y'all like, video 6, 7 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I ain't trying to do that, but it did that. I'm gonna let y'all get back to the video, man. Y'all, I think I might have found me a cool, calm, little simple shirt. You know what I'm saying? We go a little blue Panther on the shirt. You know what I'm saying? What size this is? 20, 15. That's cool. It's like something you find at a thrift store, like a lot too. Yeah. So oh, I didn't even see the bird shirt. But this blue, I ain't gonna lie. If this was black, I most definitely would have copied it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of bluish greenish color, man. I don't know about that one, y'all. Okay, so we found our shirt. Now we need to find our bottoms. Shoes? Should I do? I don't know, bro. Should I do shoes, bro? I did say build my whole entire wardrobe. Okay, so now we gotta find the bottoms and then find the shoes. All right, so I'll get to y'all when we find it. We did find some pants up in here, man. Damn! What do you want for? Is this 42? Bro, I can't fit that on the waist, bro. I'm tripping. You know, that shit big as hell, ain't it? A 40-something waist, that motherfucker can be like this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to look for some shorts. Like I said, they don't really got that much of stuff in here, bro. So we gonna have to really like, kind of just look, you know what I'm saying? So we found our shorts, man. I know they don't look that crazy. They really look like khakis, but I think I can pull these off, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let y'all boys know how they look and fit. Y'all ain't gonna lie, bro. I couldn't even try it on for y'all boys, so shit, fuck it. That's what we got. We got goddamn these the little pants, cargo shorts. We got the shirt. Then we got the pants, man. We couldn't try it on. Damn, I'm tripping. We couldn't try it on, man, but it's all good. I'm gonna just buy it, and then when I get back, I'm gonna just show y'all boys how I look in the mirror. Sucks that I couldn't try it on and actually see how it looked, just in case I wanted to trade something out, but it's all good, man. You know, Walmart, I guess I said it was a different story, but I'm gonna just buy this and I'm gonna show y'all boys how it look when I'm already kind of at, you know what I'm saying, at the crib. So I love, yeah, man. So we just got out of the goddamn Walmart, man. It do suck that I couldn't try it on for y'all boys just to show how it fit, just in case I didn't like it. So like I said, when we get back to the crib, I'm gonna show this. So this is gonna be the fit, man. I ain't gonna lie, pants is overly big, bro. So I'm not even gonna put them on because I ain't got no belt with me right now. But this is gonna be the fit, man. We went good little cargo khaki pants on the shorts. We went Panther on the top, common little Asics on the shoes. I don't got no shoes with me right now, but I ain't gonna lie, like this cool. It ain't nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? The shorts is a little bit bigger, it'd be cool. You know, I like my shorts a little baggy, so I gotta sag a little bit, but I don't even know if y'all can see me. Rate the fits in the comments, man. I ain't gonna lie. Common little fit, really ain't doing too much, you know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I ain't gonna lie. We are on the road to a 1K subscribers, so man, what is this glare? This glare. We're on the way to 1K subscribers, man. So if y'all get us there, I really appreciate y'all boys, man. Yeah, so without further ado, man, not without further ado, that's gonna be the video, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. I did go over 50. The limit would be 50. It was $56, so I went over the limit a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad, not too bad. So, you know what I'm saying? Well, hope y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. We out.